Today I'm working with the Jeep Gladiator, and when I try to scan it with my device here, I'm getting this sign up screen right here. And they make these bypass cables so you don't actually have to pay this $50 a year. And in this video, I'm going to go and find out if they really do work. I'm going to show you guys how to connect it, show you where your particular gateway is located, because this is a JT Jeep here, and you may not have this particular vehicle. So don't worry, I got you guys covered. And let me show you guys how to go ahead and connect this. And the best part is, there's a high probability you do not need any tools to go ahead and get this connected. And currently I'm getting this message for auto auth, and that's why I'm making this video. I'm going to go ahead and try out these bypass cables. And to access the security gateway on this Jeep Gladiator, it's very easy. All I need to do is remove this panel right here, which can be done by pulling out the bottom. And there are going to be these 6 clips that go and hold it in place. And no tools are needed. And I'll also leave you guys a link where you guys can find the security gateway for your vehicle. And I'll show you guys a better view of the gateway as I'm removing the wire now. So with the cover off, the gateway is located right there. I'm going to go and remove those 2 harnesses and plug them into my bypass cable. And I'm using this pick right here. Okay, so this is unplugged. Now I'm going to plug this right here. And the other one in here. Then I connected my scan tool to the bypass cable. And I am using the Launch X431 ProElite. Now let's see what happens. What do you guys think? Is it going to work? Something's happening. This is kind of exciting. Let's see what happens when I click yes here. North America. And then I get the usual login screen. And if I hit skip with the bypass security cable installed, I'm going to go ahead and get this message instead. I did a system scan. Let me choose the PCM. Actuation tests. Let's see if we can actually turn on the radiator fan. Wow, the fan turned on. That fan is spinning. I'm really happy with what I'm seeing here. And as a pro tip, you can actually go and tie these up somewhere. So if you don't want to undo this all the time, you can leave that up there. But overall, I'm really happy that these bypass cables do work. I'll leave you guys a full review for the Launch X431 ProElite. You guys will find links to both products in the video description box down below, as well as at the end of the video. And if you're interested in seeing what it's like to be connected to AutoAuth using the login, I'll leave you guys a video at the end. Thank you again, and make it a great day.